The first time I've ever saw a sea turtle in the wild was in Indonesia, and that was a pristine reef. So it was a turtle in its natural habitat, completely healthy as it should be. And yeah, that was amazing to be able to see just how graceful these animals are underwater. So when I discovered that turtles are getting a cancer, and not only are they getting a cancer, it's due to what we're doing to their environment, then I felt that that was an ideal opportunity for me to actually do something to contribute back to not just turtles, but to the marine environment generally. It's really clear that there's something in the inshore habitat, particularly areas inhabited by humans and where human activity is ongoing, that is driving the formation of these tumors.
So sea turtles have been known to be susceptible to this fibropapilloma disease for a long time, for decades, but we don't have very much longitudinal information about what happens to them when you remove them, whether they recur, whether turtles that receive them are somehow immunocompromised or more susceptible. I think one of the great advantages that we have here at the Whitney Lab for Marine Bioscience is that we utilize the most modern molecular techniques to assay what is going on in these tumors.
What we can do is exactly what we do for human tumors. Now we profile those genetically. So we look at the expression of every gene in that tumor, whether it's turned on or it's turned off, to what extent it's activated. The first line of treatment for these animals is that the tumors are surgically removed. The Sea Turtle License Plate Grant has funded our surgical suite. So without that money, we wouldn't be able to conduct surgeries on turtles, we wouldn't be able to heal individual turtles, and more importantly for the research that we're doing, we wouldn't have the material we need to do our investigations to understand what's driving these tumors.
What would it be like if we started getting the same kinds of diseases and tumors that sea turtles and dolphins are getting? So this is, I think we're really pioneering a new sort of field of marine medicine or marine wildlife disease ecology. And I think the sooner we get sort of started on this and the sooner we make progress on it, the better position we'll be in the future to try to figure out what's going on.